Okay, today we're going to go over how to mop. We're going to be mopping the players' boxes twice a week. I've been working on it for the past few weeks to figure out how often we need to mop, so you guys only need to take 1 bucket of water back in order to be able to get mopped. I forgot the mop closet key. Okay. Now, in the evening, when you're here and you're mopping, I'm going to schedule mopping field 2 and field 1 on different nights, so nobody's going to have to mop everything all at the same time. Just be aware that nights that you're mopping on field 1, if we still have bar business, don't take the mop bucket through the bar. Make sure you go ahead and roll the mop bucket around that way. And then you'll have to squeeze the mop and walk on the field to get to the other side of the player's box when you get to where the penalty boxes are. So what we're going to do first is we're going to fill the mop bucket. You'll find everything in here like this. So what you're going to do is just take the bucket, put this on, the mop is here. You're going to take the spout, set the knob to number 7, which is the degreaser. And you're going to spray some degreaser in here. Just to where it pretty much covers the bottom of the bucket, maybe about 1 inch deep. Then you're going to stop, switch it to water, and you're going to finish filling the mop bucket with water. Come over here so you can show the mop bucket itself. As you're filling the mop bucket, you have these little wave break areas here. You're going to take your water line above that. Your water line, you'll fill the bucket to about 3/4 of the way full. And fill the bucket without the mop in there, because if you put the mop in there, then the mop's going to take up a lot of room the water would be, and then when you get over there, you're going to realize you don't have that much water in the bucket. So go ahead and completely fill the bucket without the mop. I usually kind of beat down the bubbles a little bit from the edges so I can see how much water I'm getting in the bucket. Also, too, when you're filling the bucket and there's bar business, there's people in the bar, if you'll just go ahead and come in to the mop closet and shut the door behind you so that it's disturbing the customers the least, that would be great. So we filled our bucket, we're ready to go. Now before you leave, you want to make sure that you grab the razor scraper from underneath the concession sink to take with you, which I will go get now. And what I do is I just set it right here where you would normally squeeze them off so that it's out of the way. Then you'll go ahead when you're leaving, like I said, customers are around, so just you may need to knock on the door when you're coming out to make sure no one's right around you, and then just come out, shut the door behind you, and take the key. Okay? Alright, now we're going to move on to mopping.